Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to set a Spotify song as ringtone. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Spotify app on your phone and tap on its icon to open the app. Once you are in, find the song that you want to set as a ringtone. You can use the search bar or explore the feed to find the desired song. Once you find it, tap to open it. The song will start playing, and on this page from the top right side, tap on the three vertical dots. A new menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. But here you will not get the download or set as a ringtone option. I am using the free plan, but Spotify does not provide this option even in the premium version. If you tap on the share, it will give you some sharing options. You can download the song with the help of this link from the downloading sites and then set it as your ringtone. And that's it. This is how you can use a Spotify song as a ringtone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.